A cold beer seems like a simple pleasure, refreshing, relaxing, harmless. But for seniors, what is hiding inside that bottle could be silently wrecking your health. From cancer-linked chemicals to kidney-damaging additives and ingredients banned in other countries, some of America's most popular beers are toxic time bombs. Today, we are exposing 9 beer brands you need to avoid at all costs, and the 2 that are actually safe to drink. Coming in at number 9, we have got Budweiser. Budweiser calls itself the king of beers. They have built an empire on promises of quality, tradition, and that crisp, clean American taste. Their commercials feature majestic Clydesdale horses, amber waves of grain, and hard-working Americans enjoying an honest brew after a long day. But what they do not advertise is what independent lab tests have uncovered lurking in every golden drop. In 2019, comprehensive testing revealed glyphosate, the active ingredient in Roundup weed killer present in Budweiser samples. Glyphosate is classified by the World Health Organization's International Agency for Research on Cancer as a probable human carcinogen. That means every single time you crack open that familiar red and white can, you could be sipping a chemical linked to cancer. The levels detected were not insignificant traces either. They were measurable amounts that accumulate over time. For seniors, this is especially dangerous. Your body processes toxins more slowly as you age. The metabolic pathways that once efficiently cleared harmful substances have become sluggish after decades of use. Your liver and kidneys are already working overtime, especially if you are managing medications for blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, or heart conditions. Adding a known carcinogen to that burden is like pouring gasoline on a fire you cannot see burning inside you. And here's the betrayal that stings the most. Budweiser spends hundreds of millions of dollars on advertisements showing fields of barley swaying in pristine sunlight. Traditional brewing methods passed down through generations, and that all-American promise of purity. They show you golden wheat kissed by morning dew. They do not show you the chemical sprayers dousing those crops with herbicide right before harvest to speed up the drying process. The FDA allows trace amounts of glyphosate in food and beverages, but trace amounts add up with frightening speed. If you drink 2 or 3 beers a week, those traces accumulate in your system month after month, year after year. Your kidneys, already filtering medications and managing your blood chemistry around the clock, now have to deal with herbicide residue on top of everything else. The cumulative effect is something no doctor ever warned you about, because most doctors do not even know to ask. Picture this. You are at a backyard barbecue on a beautiful summer afternoon, reaching for an ice-cold Budweiser because it is what you have always trusted. The condensation drips down the can onto your fingers. That first sip tastes familiar, comfortable, like 1,000 summer days before. But invisible inside that golden liquid are chemicals your body was never designed to handle, compounds that were engineered to kill plants, not to be consumed by human beings. The king of beers has been lying to you for decades, and your kidneys are paying the price every single day. At number 8, we have Coors Light. Coors Light markets itself as the silver bullet, cold as the Rockies, pure and refreshing. Their commercials show snow-capped mountains, crystal clear streams, and temperatures so cold they would freeze your hand to the can. They promise you mountain cold refreshment straight from the Colorado wilderness. What they do not tell you is what that refreshment actually contains inside every can. Independent laboratory testing has found Coors Light contains genetically modified corn syrup as a key ingredient in their brewing process. Now, whether GMOs themselves are dangerous is still debated among scientists, but here is what is not debatable. The pesticides used on those genetically modified crops end up directly in your beer. GMO crops are specifically engineered to withstand heavy pesticide applications, which means farmers spray them more aggressively than conventional crops. For seniors managing blood sugar issues, corn syrup in any form is a hidden enemy lurking in unexpected places. It spikes your glucose levels without warning and without appearing on any nutrition label. If you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, that innocent-looking silver bullet could be sabotaging your blood sugar control without you ever realizing the cause. Your doctor adjusts your medications based on your reported diet, but corn syrup in beer is a variable nobody accounts for. But the deception goes much deeper than corn syrup. Coors has fought hard in court and in Congress to keep their full ingredient list secret from consumers. Unlike food products sold in grocery stores, beer manufacturers in the United States are not required by law to list all ingredients on the label. So that can, of course, Light could contain artificial stabilizers, chemical foam enhancers, preservatives, and other additives you will never know about unless independent labs conduct their own testing. Why are seniors targeted with refreshing mountain imagery when the reality is a murky cocktail of undisclosed additives? Because they know you trust the brand. They know you have been drinking Coors for decades. They know brand loyalty runs deep in your generation, and they are betting you will never question what is really inside, because questioning would shatter the comfortable illusion. A comprehensive 2018 study published in environmental health journals found that nearly 70% of American beers tested positive for glyphosate residue. Coors Light was among the contaminated brands. That mountain pure promise melts away when you realize you are drinking trace pesticides with every refreshing sip. The Rocky Mountain imagery is nothing but clever marketing designed to distract you from the chemical reality. Imagine the cold can in your hand, the Rocky Mountain logo glistening with frost like it just tumbled down a glacier. It looks clean. It tastes clean. But your liver is working overtime to filter out chemicals the label never warned you about and never will. The silver bullet might be aimed right at your health. Want the real truth about what is in your glass? Subscribe now so you never get blindsided by hidden dangers in your favorite drinks. We reveal what the labels will not tell you. Now at number 7, we have Miller Lite. Miller Lite promises great taste with fewer calories. It is the beer that started the entire light beer revolution back in the 1970s, and they want you to believe that lighter means healthier. Their advertisements show active people enjoying life, implying that choosing Miller Lite is the smart, figure-conscious decision. But lighter in calories does not mean lighter in toxins. That is a distinction the marketing team hopes you never make. Just like its competitors in the mass-market beer industry, Miller Lite has tested positive for glyphosate residue in independent laboratory analysis. But Miller Lite has another problem that seniors specifically need to know about: high fructose corn syrup derivatives used throughout the brewing process. These corn-based sugars are cheaper than traditional brewing ingredients, which is why major breweries love them. For anyone watching their weight or managing metabolic issues like metabolic syndrome or pre-diabetes, high fructose corn syrup is a silent destroyer working against you. It is scientifically linked to fatty liver disease, insulin resistance, systemic inflammation throughout the body, and accelerated aging of vital organs. Seniors with existing liver or kidney conditions are playing with fire every single time they reach for a Miller Lite, thinking they are making a healthy choice. And here is the trust betrayal that should anger every consumer. Miller Lite commercials show fit, active people enjoying life without consequence. They imply their beer is the smart, health-conscious choice for people who care about their bodies. They never once mention the corn-based additives, the processing aids, or the pesticide residues hiding in every single can that rolls off their production line. The taste is familiar to millions of Americans, slightly watery with a hint of grain and a clean finish. You might think that lightness means purity, that fewer calories must mean fewer harmful additives. It does not. It means they have stripped out some calories while leaving in the chemicals your body cannot easily eliminate. The toxic load remains the same while the calorie count drops. A single can seems harmless sitting in your refrigerator door. But if you have been drinking Miller Lite regularly for years or even decades, those toxins have been quietly accumulating in your tissues. Your kidneys filter your blood 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Every drop of beer you drink adds to their workload. And when that beer contains undisclosed chemicals, you are asking already stressed organs to handle even more without any warning. Isn't it strange how billion-dollar beer companies keep having contamination issues discovered by independent labs, yet their products are still on every shelf in every grocery store in America? The Light promise is heavy on deception. Most people never learn which beers are actually safe to drink. But stick around because we are revealing the solution at the very end of this video. It could change how you shop forever. Coming in at number 6, we have Corona Extra. Corona Extra sells you an intoxicating fantasy with every bottle. White sand beaches stretching to the horizon, crystal blue Caribbean water, a perfect lime wedge perched on the bottleneck. They promise relaxation, vacation in a bottle, complete escape from your worries and responsibilities. What they do not promise is transparency about what you are actually drinking when you twist off that cap. Corona has repeatedly tested positive for glyphosate in independent testing, the same herbicide residue found across nearly every major beer brand in America. But Corona has an additional concern that rarely gets mentioned in mainstream discussions: potential contamination and chemical degradation from their signature clear glass bottle design. Clear glass offers almost no protection from light exposure compared to brown or amber bottles. When beer is exposed to ultraviolet light, it undergoes a chemical reaction that produces a compound called 3-methyl-tbutine-1-thol. That is a fancy scientific name for a chemical that makes beer taste and smell skunky. But beyond the unpleasant taste that seasoned beer drinkers recognize immediately, this light-struck compound can cause digestive upset, especially in seniors with already sensitive stomachs. For those managing gastroesophageal reflux disease, irritable bowel syndrome, diverticulitis, or other digestive conditions that become more common with age, drinking light-damaged Corona could trigger painful flare-ups and uncomfortable symptoms. Your digestive system is more delicate as you age with thinner stomach lining and reduced enzyme production. It does not need additional chemical irritants introduced with every sip. The betrayal here is visual and deeply cynical. Corona looks so clean, so pure in that iconic clear bottle with the painted-on label showing a sun-drenched beach. The lime suggests natural freshness and citrus purity. The beach imagery promises the same purity as Caribbean waters. But that clear bottle is actually a liability designed for shelf appeal rather than product protection, allowing light to degrade your beer before you even open it. Picture yourself on your patio on a warm evening, summer breeze blowing through your hair, Corona in hand with that perfect lime wedge. The condensation drips cold down the glass. The lime floats invitingly. It looks like a vacation postcard come to life. But inside that beautiful bottle, chemical reactions are happening that your stomach will regret hours later when the discomfort begins. Corona's vacation fantasy does not include the digestive distress that might follow. That part they leave out of the commercials. Number 5 on our list is Michelob Ultra. Michelob Ultra positions itself as the fitness beer, the athletic choice for active lifestyles. Low carb, low calorie, the responsible choice for people who work out and watch what they put in their bodies. Their commercials show marathon runners, triathletes, yoga practitioners, and CrossFit enthusiasts choosing Michelob Ultra because they care deeply about their physical performance. But does the beer actually care about you? Testing conducted by independent laboratories has revealed Michelob Ultra contains the same glyphosate residues found in other major American beer brands. Think about that contradiction for a moment. A beer marketed specifically and exclusively to health-conscious consumers contains a chemical classified as a probable carcinogen by the World Health Organization. The irony would be darkly funny if it were not so genuinely dangerous to millions of people. For seniors who have deliberately switched to Michelob Ultra thinking they were making a healthier choice for their bodies. This is a deeply painful betrayal of trust. You trusted the low-carb promise displayed prominently on every can. You believed the fitness marketing that showed people like you making smart decisions. You thought you were taking care of yourself by choosing wisely. Instead, you may have been consuming pesticide residue with every workout celebration drink, every post-golf round refreshment. Michelob Ultra is brewed with rice and barley, both commonly sprayed with glyphosate, right before harvest in a practice called desiccation. Farmers use herbicides to dry out crops faster for easier mechanical harvesting. It saves them time and money. The result is significantly higher chemical residue in the final product that ends up in your body. Your heart medication, your blood pressure pills, your cholesterol drugs, your diabetes medication are all processed by your liver and kidneys. When you add herbicide residue to that complex pharmaceutical mix, you are asking those organs to work even harder than they already are. For seniors already managing multiple medications with careful timing and dosing, this is an invisible burden you never agreed to carry, and your doctor never knew to warn you about. The taste of Michelob Ultra is deliberately thin, almost watery, with minimal flavor impact. That extreme lightness is supposed to signal health and athletic purity. Instead, It might signal a chemical load your body was never meant to process. The fitness beer is not as fit as it claims to be,